Just wanted to share quick information with you guys on what is happening today in the market. Not sure if you have been paying attention to the markets today, but today markets closed comparatively fine, better than they did on Friday after a lot of sell-off last 2 days of the week. Wanted to share information from today and also show you my portfolio. So today my portfolio stands at 10,751. Nothing much has been happening today. It was just up $120, whereas in last two closing sessions on Thursday and Friday it went down by $500 because of a lot of sell-off in the prior week. So today's main news was all the airline stocks are trading at their lowest. And why would that be? Let me show you why. Let's look at American Airlines. They are at their historical low. And why is that? Because Warren Buffett just sold his stake from all the 4 major airlines in United States. That is a big news that will affect a lot of investors. Obviously, when someone like Warren Buffett sells his stake in the major US airlines, there tend to be some discomfort in the market and some lost faith that was projected today in the market. As you can see, American Airlines is down today almost 8%. Similarly, all other big airlines in United States, United Airlines is down 3.9%, Delta is down 5.4%. All this because Warren Buffett just sold his stake in these airlines. Jim Cramer has been saying that Warren Buffett is looking at short-term gain. In my view, looking at Warren Buffett's history, he is not looking for short-term gains. Maybe there is something that he sees that others are not seeing at the moment. But I see a lot of pundits out there, they are recommending buying airline stocks at the moment because they are at their historical lows. I just wanted to know from you guys, what do you guys think about this? Is it a good idea to currently invest in airline stocks as they are trading at their lowest currently? I just invested $15 today in American Airlines. Just wanted to test this. At some point in future, airline industry will come back. There is a stimulus package that I believe will be prepared to help these airlines. If I do the risk analysis here, I see very low risk currently with airline stocks because they are going down. They are already down. And I see a chance of upside. So I am thinking of investing some shares, like just 1% of my portfolio into this, and will share the updates with you guys. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? Would you invest in airline stocks at this moment, or do you think it's a bad idea? Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.